The year was 2016. Nothing new was happening in the Indian air conditioner market. As much as the race for leadership was gearing up, few were the innovations in technology. Design, discounts, filter, offers, cooling, and nothing more. Everything was at a standstill. Age-old technologies and strategies, just like old wine in a new bottle. At that time in the market, out of 100%, 88% were ACs with normal technology. Out of the rest, just a few were inverter ACs. That was the time when market leader LG did something revolutionary. Nobody had a clue what it was and what it could do. However, under the leadership of their managing director, Mr. Ki Wan Kim, LG wanted to convert its entire range of air conditioners into inverter ACs, and that too, immediately. It was quite challenging to make it happen, or even think about it to happen so soon. But being the market leader, only LG could have done it. Soon, it all began. A flawless air conditioner was designed that had the supreme power of cutting-edge dual inverter technology. This technology did not only cool faster, but also saved a lot of electricity. The new AC was also made stabilizer-free with 10 years warranty on compressor. One by one, everyone was made aware of this innovation that included LG's internal teams as well as the dealers. In the next phase, installation teams were also trained, because to create something revolutionary, togetherness is the key. The ground was all set. Teams were ready. The only wait was for the trumpets to roar out loud. Now was the time to tell the consumers that an air conditioner has arrived in the market, crafted as per their needs and for their convenience. The time was January 2017. Whole nation woke up to something never done before. Driven by sheer self-confidence and years of planning, leading electronics brand LG had taken this leap of completely converting their entire range of residential air conditioners into dual inverter AC range. The giant leap was taken, but this was just the beginning. Times changed, days turned into months, and soon a year was gone. However, this 1 year had completely transformed the face of Indian residential ACs. Today, inverter ACs have a staggering 60% share in the Indian AC market compared to a mere 12% in 2016. Not just this, even the ISEER mandate of 2018 couldn't shake the star ratings of LG dual inverter ACs. While many AC brands fell from being 5-star to 3-star, LG ACs maintained their 5-star ratings. 2018 has been a fabulous year. LG accomplished something never witnessed before. Normal copper pipes upgraded to long-lasting copper pipes with ocean black protection. Promise of same-day installation was also fulfilled. Consumers were amazed and happy to see and experience the benefits of LG dual inverter ACs. LG further added to the happiness of the consumers by reducing installation rates, and several easy finance schemes were offered. LG Air Conditioners not only introduced the entire nation to higher savings with the faster cooling, but also gave them peace of mind. Today, with 38% market share, LG is the leader in AC category. Much has been done after a grand beginning, but there are many more miles to go.